Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about weekly, monthly, quarterly time frame stock market update, and we will figure out, is it all over for stock market? Is it ready for bearish reversal? What's going on with the stock market world today? As usual, let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and use it every single trade and you will be successful. And now let's move to TradingView stock market heat map. It's for all USA companies based on the market cap. Let's start from weekly. Weekly is kind of red, right? Performance weekly red, Amazon green, Visa green, some companies green, but generally it's red. Let's see what's going on in the monthly. Monthly is getting more green. More green, less red. Apple, Microsoft, Tesla red, but generally it's more green. Now let's see quarterly what's going on. Quarterly, it's even more green. Right? Okay, now let's switch to my watch list and we will do technical analysis review, right? Let's start from technical analysis review. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup training and other links about all my trainings. I just want to mention to you, I don't use weekly and monthly and quarterly time frame for my entry or exit position. I just monitor that large time frame for swing trading. I'm using just daily time frame for entry and exit position. Okay, and we will talk about weekly, monthly, and quarterly, right? Let's start USA dollar. Before start, let me briefly mention about my simple trading style and my setup. I'm using simple moving averages, white line SMA 200, yellow line SMA 20, red line SMA 10, green line SMA 5, and buy and sell script indicator, MACD indicator, Heikin bars indicators, and also RSI indicator yellow line. That's all very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved from the traders, but if you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. Look at it how it works. When bars below MA5, MA5 is a green line. When bars below MA5, it is bearish trend. When bars moved above MA5 and they run above MA5, it is bullish trend. Look at here. And how it works, you see the MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. For me, it's entry point. This bar was entry point, sell signal, so short entry, and I did put stop on the top in the previous bar. Just my protection in case if market will decide to go opposite direction. I could lose one bar, at the same time I had ability to gain multiple bars. And I hold it until MA5, and I sold it on the bottom when I received buy signal, right? That's all, very simple. Okay, Dow Jones, let's start weekly. I'm sorry, Dow Jones. DXY, it's a USA dollar, right? Look at it, it's below 20, right? It's kind of in a bearish territory. But recently, one week, last bar moved above MA5. And that spike, it did touch the MA20. It can be rejected from MA20 or it can continue bullish reversal signal. Now this level, you see, it's kind of resistant level because for 4 weeks, it was kind of a lot of resistance in this level. You see, if you go left, a lot of points of resistance, a lot. It can be sideways over here because of the resistance, and especially SMA 20 also here. Still bullish, still positive bullish signal, even it's in the bearish territory. Let's move monthly. Monthly, it's kind of, you see, it's fighting with SMA 20. It's kind of, it can bounce from SMA 20. It's not confirmed yet, still kind of red. Still bearish because last bar is still below all moving averages except 200. Still bearish on all indicators. And it's not confirmed. Can bounce from 20 or it can continue, do bearish crossover over 20 and move down. So far, for how many look at it? Months. 6, 7 months, 8 months, it's just dancing around 20. And quarterly it is still bullish, right? Quarterly is still bullish. Okay, now let's start Qs. We just started quarter, right? Just 1 month over. It's quarter, it's not over yet. Month just started, new month. Also, new bar for new months. And first week of the August is completed. Okay, quarterly Qs still bullish, right? Last bar disconnected from A5, 10 and 20, bullish trend. It's kind of very close to the top in a resistant level. All indicators still bearish, but price action is already above all moving averages bullish. Quarterly. Monthly, let's see monthly. Monthly, it's fully bullish. You see it's in the resistant level, close to the top, still bullish, buy signal on all indicators. Bullish trend, last bar disconnected. You see, just 1 month, first month, it just started 1 week, and it's already kind of destroyed almost all bar from the previous month. It's disconnected from A5, 10 and 20. Definitely wants to connect back to 20. And weekly time frame Qs also bullish. It just connected back to 20. I'm sorry, to 20, to MA5 green line. Just MA5. Still disconnected from 10 and 20. And still bullish trend, still RSI in the overbought territory. For Qs, right? Now let's move to SPX. Volatility indexes, let's see volatility indexes. Weekly, it's already turned to bullish. Looks like they did reversal, it look bullish reversal, it's negative for Qs. Monthly, it is still bearish, right? Monthly, it is still bearish. Let's move S&P 500. S&P 500, weekly, still bullish, last bar disconnected from 10 and 20. RSI just moved from overbought territory. Still bullish trend. No changes. Last bar disconnected from MA5 and 20. Monthly time frame. Also bullish. It is in the resistant level. This level is a lot of resistance. You see like 3, 4, 5 bars, 6 bars resistant on a monthly time frame. It can be rejected or it can continue to go to make a new all-time high. Still bullish on daily time frame, like I'm sorry, on monthly. Month just started 1 week over, and you see this red bar, it's already completed. It's almost like previous whole month, 4 weeks of the month. 1 month just destroyed almost 1 week just destroyed almost 1 month, almost. We'll see next week. Next week it can bounce. And let's see quarterly. Quarterly, you see the first quarter, it's just first month just started, it's still kind of weak, right? Still green, still weak, all indicators still red. At the same time, it is in the bullish territory, Last bar above all moving averages. And buy signal from the script. MA5 still below 10, but bar above all moving averages. VIX, let's see VIX. VIX still bearish on quarterly, monthly still bearish also on monthly, and it is bullish on weekly, right? It is bullish on weekly. It is negative for SPX, for S&P 500. Let's start Dow Jones. Dow Jones weekly, last bar, very far disconnected from MA5, 10 and 20. Bullish trend on all indicators. Monthly time frame, same trend. Last bar above all moving averages, a lot of resistance in this area also. It can continue bullish to make a new high, or it can be rejected from this level. So far, still bullish on all indicators on monthly. Quarterly, last bar above all moving averages, MA5 still below 10, buy signal from the script, still in the price action, the last bar above all moving averages, bullish territory. All indicators still red, still bearish. VXD volatility index for Dow Jones, quarterly still bearish, monthly still bearish, weekly it's already changed direction to bullish crossover. On weekly it is bullish and it's bearish for Dow Jones. IWM, Russell 2000, weekly time frame, last bar disconnected from MA10 and 20. MA20 did bullish crossover. It is very powerful bullish crossover. It means it can go bullish because of that MA20. But at the same time, it's a lot of resistance. You see this level? Two recent highs, right? Here it's a lot of resistance, a lot of on weekly time frame. It can be rejected, Still bullish trend. Monthly time frame, last bar above all moving averages, bullish trend on all indicators. And quarterly last bar just touched MA10. It is bullish. And MACD, RSI, Fibonacci, red bearish. All indicators still bearish, MA5 still below 10. Last bar connected to 10, it can be rejected back to 20. We'll see. Signal is positive for IWM, but it's weaker than Qs and S&P 500 because Qs and S&P 500 very close to the top. This one, it's not very close to the top. Okay, RVX volatility index for Russell 2000, quarterly still bearish, monthly still bearish, weekly it's just did bullish reversal. First bullish reversal, it means it's bearish for Russell 2000, for IWM. Now let's move to Apple. Apple, huge sell-off, right? 1 week, huge sell-off, sell signal from the script, huge bar, huge sell-off. How many? 7% bar. 7% bar, 1 week. And it destroyed level back to June. Beginning of the June, right? May, end of the May. It came back to June. 3 months wiped out. Here is the lot of resistance. This level will be a lot of resistance, you see? It will touch 20 and at 20 will be a lot of resistance. Actually, in this case, it will be a lot of support. It will be support, not resistance. 20 will be support. Bearish reversal signal on one weekly time frame. Let's see monthly. Monthly, it is last bar, just touched MA5, still disconnected from MA10 and 20. It can easy to go and connect back to 20. It's around 160 level. 160 level. And it stopped at the, you see, it was recent. Here it was 2022 high. And it stopped at that level, exactly. And let's see quarterly. Still bullish, right? Still bullish, disconnected from MA5 and 10 and 20. Connected to 5, disconnected from 10 and 20. Quarterly last bar from the all-time high, it was disconnected from MA5, still disconnected from MA5 at 10 and 20. Bullish trend with disconnection and bearish divergence. Look at it. Price action uptrend, bearish divergence on a high histogram, and bearish divergence on RSI, right? RSI, and Heikanaichi, all indicators bearish divergences. And disconnected, right? It can go back to 20. Tesla. Let's start Tesla. Tesla, not so powerful, right? Was nice run. Last bar above MA10, above all moving averages. MA5 still below 10. It is bearish crossover, right? All indicators in bearish crossover. Last bar disconnected from MA5 and 20. Still kind of in the, moving. Still bearish signal on all indicators, but price action in positive zone. Monthly time frame, similar story. Buy signal, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20. Last bar disconnected from 20, from 5 and 10. Bullish crossover, bullish position, bullish territory, still disconnected, but signal is still bullish. And let's see weekly for Tesla. Tesla weekly, it was positive bullish, but for last 3 weeks it did kind of bearish reversal. It's not confirmed yet. MA5 still above 10. All indicators still kind of positive. Didn't confirm yet. Only Heikanaichi already switched from green to red. It's building bearish reversal. BABA, Alibaba Group, weekly time frame, bullish trend. Bearish territory because all moving averages below 200, but it is in a bullish signal because MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, 20 and bars above all moving averages except 200. Bullish trend weekly. Let's see monthly BABA. BABA still in the bearish territory, still below 20. All indicators positive because last bar moved above MA5 and 10. It is positive, but it's still in the bearish territory. Still in the bearish territory on monthly. Quarterly not enough data, still in the bearish territory, bearish trend. Let's start NVIDIA. NVIDIA, huge run. Bearish divergence on the RSI, on the Heikanaichi, on the MACD bar, on the MACD histogram, right? Look at it here. I'm sorry, let's do it one more time. Actually, it's kind of, very low, very light, but still bearish divergence. Huge run, last bar disconnected from MA5, 10 and 20. You see it's kind of MA5 on the level 280. It can go back to 100 points. It's a quarterly time frame, it's a huge time frame. Anyway, it is still bullish. Bullish with bearish divergences. Monthly time frame, still bullish. Last bar disconnected from MA5, 10 and 20 with actually with bearish divergences on RSI, right? Bearish divergences on RSI. And weekly, it is still bullish. Last bar, we had last bar, red bar. It closed still at MA5 level. It is still bullish territory. It is disconnected from MA20, but still in the bullish territory. Only Heikanaichi already switched from bullish to bearish. Still bullish. Microsoft, let's see Microsoft weekly time frame. It's already did bearish reversal, right? MA5 did bearish crossover. MACD, Heikanaichi, all indicators already did bearish reversal. Let's see monthly time frame for Microsoft. Monthly time frame, it is still bullish. Last bar finally connected back to MA5, still disconnected from MA10 and 20. Still bullish trend with large bearish divergences, right? Price action is bullish. Look at this line. Price action bullish, MACD bearish, and RSI bearish. Bullish trend with bearish divergences on all indicators for Microsoft. And let's see quarterly. what's going on quarterly. Quarterly, same bullish trend with bearish divergences. It's not nice for Microsoft. Microsoft definitely wants to have correction. And last bar, disconnected from MA 5, 10, 20. Huge disconnection, and it definitely wants to go back to connect back to MA 20. At least it will be just correction. Okay, that's all. Let's do summary. All indexes, market still doesn't have any fear. Volatility index is still kind of very low. Market still very high. Still bullish on weekly, monthly, and quarterly time frame. It only changed direction on daily. On daily, it's already gave us bearish reversal on daily time frame. But on weekly, monthly, and quarterly, on large time frames, still all time frames still bullish. It means market trend is still bullish. Nothing happened yet critically. It was just one first week red. Let's see from March, right? A similar week was on March. After that, we didn't see large negative weeks. It's the first negative week kind of from March, and just correction. Nothing happened. But if you are bullish, I would switch direction to cash position just to wait and see what's going on. Will market create bearish reversal on larger time frame? On daily time frame, for me, it's already created reversal, and I'm already bearish. But it will take some time, like I mentioned to you before. Market still positive because of weekly, monthly, and quarterly still bullish. It means buyers will buy every dip. They will continue to buy every dip. Like this week was bearish, next week can be positive because buyers will buy the dip. It was nice dip for them, they will buy it. That's why they will continue. That market will be fight between bulls and bears until we will get some exhaustion bar or some event will switch market to bearish direction on larger time frame. So far, it only push market bearish on daily time frame, on small time frames like 4 hours and daily time frame. That's what we are observing with the stock market and my watch list. Okay, that's kind of simple. And let me briefly mention to you about performance like Qs. You see monthly, weekly it's weekly negative, right? -2.25%, monthly 1%. Year to date still 38.5%. It's a lot. SPX weekly -2%, 1 month +1%, year to date +16%. Dow Jones, let's see. 1 week -1, 1 month 2.5, year to date 5.5. Russell 2000, 1 week -1%, 1 month +4%, and year to date +10%. Qs the best performer because of the mega stocks, right? Because of the 7 mega stocks in the world, Qs performed very well year to date for last 7 months, right? It's a 38.5% result. Very positive, very positive. That's all. Let's see. And yeah, we can expect, like I said, next week it can be maybe not week, maybe a few days, Monday, Tuesday, it will be bounced because of the oversold territory, oversold positions. Now, like let me show you, like on daily time frame, you see Qs not oversold yet. Let's see SPX. SPX not oversold also. It can continue. It can create few green bars and it will continue. We'll see. We'll see what it's still earnings season next week also. We will have some volatility. That's all. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only, and remember, for educational purpose we are using paper trading simulator as long as we need to get constantly profitable trader. Thank you for watching Simple Trading Style. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe this channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye traders.